Are you working toward a degree, and if so, in what?
I am working towards a degree in, it's a Master's of Business Administration. It's an online program through Southern New Hampshire University.
I'm working toward a graduate certificate in historic preservation.
I have already finished my degree. I got a master's in civil engineering with a focus in stormwater and transportation. I got it last May 2019.
What or who motivated you to pursue this program?
I don't remember. I think I had a weak moment and I wanted to learn a bunch of more stuff, so I started looking into it, and I think just the possibility of being able to understand more and get better at my job kind of motivated me to do it.
What did the reimbursement program allow you to do that you otherwise would not have done?
So the reimbursement program, which I'm really proud of here at Hoyle Tanner, for me personally, it gave me a little bit more incentive to get going. I had put off maybe some additional education for years, so our education reimbursement program was really, I guess, a kick in the pants to say, you know, you have no excuse not to. So it was good for me to get up and get going.
The biggest benefit for me taking this program is really gaining an awareness of what my designs are going to look like once they're in place. There was a lot of emphasis on how we've transitioned as a society from like a Main Street America where, you know, there was a downtown environment, and now we're getting into strip malls where there's not really a sense of community or culture. So that's something I obviously have been aware of, but I want to start really keeping that in mind and implementing like a cultural mentality in my designs.
If this program did not exist, would you still have tried to further your education on your own?
Probably not. Probably not, yeah. I would have tried to do it in a different way, probably not through a university or a school, probably just doing stuff online, and it probably wouldn't have been as beneficial.
Yes, but probably in a much less organized format. So the program is very organized, systematic, and which has been really helpful to me. I've always been about a lot of continuing education as well, from training and seminars, but it's not a full compilation. This is a start to finish program with a real goal in mind. So it's much different than continuing education that I've done in the past. Would I have pursued more? Sure, but it would have been some here, some there, and not as cohesive.
If the program didn't exist, I would still have continued furthering my education, but I'm really grateful that the company supported me, and it's definitely a big benefit of working at Hoyle Tanner.